How would you like this for dinner? We have salmon, we have herbs, we have potatoes, we have asparagus in 30 minutes. Boom. Hello, beautiful people out there. Tonight we are going to do just the most incredible, quick, easy dinner you could even think of. We're doing salmon and we're going to top it with herbs, but to get started, these are just potatoes, chopped them up, tossed them in a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and some parsley. I topped it with a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and we're going to put it in the oven. I have an oven preheated to about 400 degrees, and we're going to put this in for about 5 minutes just to get started. So while the potatoes are in the oven, I have a lovely little salmon fillet here. All I've done, I have, you know me, I like to poke holes and things, so I just kind of poked it with some holes. I put a little bit of olive oil on it, little sprinkle of salt and pepper, because they just seem to break things down real nice. And what we're gonna do with this salmon is, we're gonna put a little sploosh of lemon right on it as we start, because that citrus is going to soak in. And then it's springtime, so what we're going to do is, I have some fresh scallions here, chives, whatever you want to call them. We're going to throw down just a hint of basil. Little teeny hint of basil, because you don't want that to be the strong suit. Fresh dill, fresh dill, here we go. And fresh parsley. We are gonna top this salmon with all these herbs. We're gonna throw one more little splash of olive oil over the top, just so it kind of softens into the skin of the salmon. And we're gonna let this sit for about, 5-10 minutes while the potatoes start to cook. Boom. So our potatoes have been in the oven for about 5-10 minutes, and when that happens, we're gonna put in the salmon fillet. The salmon only needs to cook for about 15 minutes or so, 15, maybe 20. The salmon has been in the oven for about 10 minutes. What I'm going to do just for fun, this is not a necessity, but I kind of like it. I'm just throwing in some very small, beautiful asparagus. This is when asparagus is the best, when it's just small and, oh my God, it has so much flavor. I'm just gonna throw this back in for about another 10 minutes while we wrap up the three amigos in the background. And everything's gonna be lovely. Oh my goodness. Here we go, we're gonna pull out this. Woo-hoo! Beautifully roasted potatoes. Oh, salmon galore. We're gonna give our potatoes one last little sprig of, oh my goodness. Little parm. What the hell? Put Parmesan on everything. Why wouldn't you? Live life big, folks. 30 minutes. Potatoes, salmon, asparagus, done. I wish you a beautiful evening. Peace, my friends. Bye.